Hello guys, today we take you to check a new model electric mini car. Its model is Quality 7. It's our new design. It's for the 4 wheels, which you can driving. The body shell is made by PVC shell. The car painting, which will not be shaded and rusty in the raining days. The foil includes the Quality 7 electric car. It's good for 4 wheel drive and protect you from the sun, rain, snow, and windy. Also, you see the metal frame. The frame is metal. Both for front and rear wheels use a disc brake. The tubeless tire. The tire is 135, 135 minus 12. Tubeless tire and disc brake. Here, you see the light is parking lights, high beam and low beam. From the bottom, you can see the motor. It's about uh, 12 centimeters minimum ground clearance. Also, it has the rear reverse drive camera and the number plate light here. Also, the rear have the charging port here. This is a mobility scooter good for current drive, no need license and no need insurance. It's a big size and much more better quality. Let's check the inside. If you see the door, it's much more wider for you to access in and out. Also, you see the seats is with the headquarters and the seat belts. The seats can move front and backward. Also, here have the cup pad, cup seats, and you put your phone, cup of phone. Also, here also have the storage box. In the door, also have a storage box. The window is power. It's power window. And the seats is swing. Can be moved move left or right. All the seats can move back. Seats can move front and back easily. Also in the rear have big enough space for you to put your bags and shopping bags on your dog or your dogs to go out for a wandering or visiting friends. Drive this electric mini car. It is operated by handbar, which can make you for easy operation and no need a license. Also in the dashboard, you will see the air condition buttons, gearbox, and flashing lights. In the case, also here is the radio system and the USB disc. Also the Bluetooth functions. Here is the smoking detector. You can connect our outside heater in the cold winter. Also here is the wiper for cleaning the windows a little much more better than before. This switch is for the here is for the light switch. Here is for the injections. Here is for the air conditioning hose. You can make a turning for each sides. I use the new odometer have the battery speed, voltage, and driving mileage. If you like this car, please contact with us directly. Universal car. It is a quality. Its number is quality 7. We hope you enjoy your time with this car.